Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. Today we continue the series of videos about the free products that I received. This video will cover the month of April. For new people on my channel, this is not a PR unboxing. These free products are available to everyone. If you are curious to know how I get them, you can watch my previous freebies video. There I explain everything. In front of us, as I said, are the products that I received during the month of April. All that being said, let's get started. In this envelope I had a perfume sample from Mugler. Is their new perfume. Actually, is a new version of Angel fragrance and is called Angel Elixir. Is a beautiful floral fruity scent, is sweet, is powdery. I feel the vanilla and ylang ylang notes. It has a soft woodsy base, is floral, it's alluring in one word. Very nice fragrance. Let's move forward to the next envelope. Is from the Green Woman. The Green Woman is an organic brand, best known for their natural deodorants called Fit Pit, and here I have a small sample of it. I had the option to choose which one I want to try, and I choose the sensitive one. Is unscented, is aluminium free, is vegan, is paraben free, is plastic free, and is ideal first deodorant for children and teenagers. My only small issue with this product is with the packaging. Is non-practical and easy to use. The next envelope hides two small products from a well-known brand, Sol de Renero. I think that many of you know this brand. I think that many of you know these creams. Many people adore them and I know why. They smell fantastic. First sample is the Brazilian Bam Bam cream. It's a fast-absorbing body cream that firms and tightens skin with an irresistible pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla scent. And the second sample is the Bom Dia Bright Cream. Retexturizes and gives skin a brightening boost with black amber plum and vanilla wood scent. I am sure that I will like them. With the first body cream I met in the past, curious to discover the scent of the second body cream. Let's move forward to the next envelope. Is from Nivea. Is their multi-purpose cream called Soft. Refreshingly soft moisturizing cream for face, body and hands. To be honest, in the past I was using many Nivea products. The most I liked their original cream scent, and I think this cream may have it. I hope it does. In the next envelope I have a couple of products which I really want to try from the brand Eau de Lique. Eau de Lique is a certified organic skincare brand. Here I have like a discovery set, and the products from the set are the superfluid concentrate. Is a face serum that needs to be applied on top of your moisturizer to lock in moisture. Is 100% organic and suitable for sensitive and dry skin. What else we have in the set are some samples. Here we have two sachets of a creamy coconut cleanser. Is a gentle cleanser and eye makeup remover that is soothing for sensitive skin. Next two sachets are the avocado 24-hour replenishing cream, ideal for dry or sensitive skin. Is rich in vitamins and minerals. Is 100% natural and 94% organic. And the last two sachets are the Timeless Rose Moisturizer. Is an antioxidant daily moisturizer that promotes cell regeneration, tones, and calms redness with organic rose and rosehip oils. In this small flat box I received a product from the brand Mamie Natural Skincare. Here I have a Skin Cell Rejuvenator Anti-Aging Serum. Is 100% cruelty-free, is 100% vegan and natural, is essential oil-free, and is fragrance-free. For this face serum I paid for the delivery, and I remember that I had the option to choose between 3 face serums. All 3 was anti-aging face serums. Now let's move to the Dead Sea Dream at-home spa experience. Inside we have 4 samples of their dreamy products for perfect relaxation. Your dreamy experience awaits in just 4 easy steps. And in the sample pack we have Dead Sea Dream Glowing Hair Mask with Dead Sea Water, Shea Butter, Olive and Argan Oil. Next is the Purifying Mineral Mud Mask with Dead Sea Mud, Botanical Oils and Zinc. The following sample is the Defining Body Cream with Dead Sea Water, caffeine, vitamin E and ginger extracts. And the last sample is the Nourishing Hand and Foot Cream with Dead Sea Water, Shea Butter and tea tree oil. All 4 products are suitable for all skin, hair types. I am very happy with this samples pack, can't wait to try them. The last box is from the brand Chuckling Goat. And inside we have a soothing kefir lotion, handmade with goat's milk kefir and rosemary essential oil. It's a cream that can be applied everywhere. As the manufacturer says, apply daily to all skin that needs love. With this product I finished today's video. I sincerely hope you like it. Let me know if you like these videos and want me to continue making them. A huge thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon. Bye!